5:42 a.m. Way too early to be up. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're doing actually an AirBnB experience. We are going to Las Grutas de Tolantongo. It is this series of hot springs and caves. Our driver is picking us up in about 10 minutes downstairs, so we got to get going. The hot springs are located about 3.5 hours north of Mexico City, but the drive really didn't feel that long because of all the beautiful scenery, as well as all the fun we had with our new friends from the tour group, who were absolutely awesome, as you will see later in this video. When you first arrive here, in the parking area is where you'll find like the changing rooms, and then what you do is you go to your left, and that's where all the lockers are, and you can also go down to like the river if you go to your left.
And when you come in, if you go towards the right, that's where all of like the hot springs and pools are at. So if you wanted to go that direction first or come back, you could do that.
So to the right is where like you get the IG scene. That's the pools, the hot springs and pools that you see on IG all the time. When you come to the cave, just be aware that they don't allow any bags up here of any kind, no food, no drink, to the cave side.
So if you're just going specifically to the direction of the caves, they don't want you to bring bottles.
Not even water, not even water. No like serious cameras either. You can bring the GoPro. There's like an announcement. You can only bring like aquatic cameras and your phone. So make sure you get a little cover.
Be reminded that you're like really tall, so you can feel the elevation right now.
Yeah, you're a high elevation.
You're going up a lot of stairs, but not only that, you're by the mountains, so you can feel kind of like yourself breathing.
Yeah, I went up the stairs like, woo, why am I?
Yeah, I feel so out of shape right now.
But hey, look, the reward is worth it.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
So you can go to the tunnel here, you can go to the cave here. He said the tunnel is somewhat challenging and hot. So keep that in mind. It seems like a lot of people of different fitness levels and ages are doing the tunnel. So it shouldn't be that big of a deal.
I feel that wind.
And you feel the wind like as soon as you get close to the waterfall.
It's so powerful.
Definitely warm, babe. Already you can feel the water.
The waterfall's cold. But the water here is warm.
Go for it, babe. What you waiting on?
I'm waiting for them to move, so I'm not standing right under.
You won't be. There's room.
Woo! Oh, yeah. Woo! Probably almost everywhere else here that you have water.
Most definitely.
Because
it's not super slippery, but you definitely need some traction on your soles.
Because you have a lot of rocks that you're going over, and inside where we just went in, there's like very little visibility. And so bringing your phone with a case is kind of handy.
Yeah, with a flashlight on your phone. Yeah. You get to the end, there is a spot where if you have your flashlight and your phone, one person can shine a flashlight on you, and then the other person can take a picture with the phone. And then after that, you come down to the lower level and you can do the cave. I don't know if it's just this time of year or if it's always like this. Maybe it's because it's up in the mountains, but it's like you're in the cave and you're in the tunnel and it's like nice and warm, it's hot, and then you come out and it's like cold. So it's like
the chill. It hits, even though it's like a warm day out. It's like, but when you come outside of the water, you feel that chill. Even our guide was saying like, yeah, you might want to bring a t-shirt so just when you come out of caves, you have something.
Yeah. I'm convinced that people here think that my wife is some sort of Mexican celebrity. Like
We've gotten requests for selfies.
So many
with people
pictures
all day. I think it's been, I've counted at least like 8 different families, and it'll be like one time we'll stop and we'll take a picture with somebody, and then like it'll be like a line forming. The next people just stop while we're still there.
Like we're in caves, people taking pictures. We're walking down the sidewalk, people taking pictures. So I don't know if it's.
I'm thinking it's just we just don't look like
not
everybody.
a lot of
and so it's just
Negros.
It's just like a big deal. But they're doing it with so much joy, like really.
They're
legit,
so happy. It's
like,
cool.
Listen,
if it's because there's not a lot of Afro-Mexicans or not a lot of African Americans or whatever in this area. If that's the reason why, then it's awesome because it shows a lot of appreciation.
That's true.
For us and our culture. And I mean,
I felt a little exploited sometimes.
No, it was.
But I think it's more so appreciation.
It was all appreciation. It was good, man. Go between the caves and the tunnel, there's the option to take a bus, and I would definitely recommend it. The walk, what's that, probably about 1.5 miles? Uphill, yeah. 1.5 miles uphill. So you definitely want to take the van. Over here by the pools is where you will find the place where people camp. It's also where there's a lot of restaurants, there's hotels, those type of things. So this part is a lot more active. And you can see behind me that people are actually camping in this place. And if you look up, there's a hotel too. So there's a lot more people. And I imagine when it's, because it's just open recently, so it's not at really the usual capacity, usual crowds. But it's still a lot of people, so I can imagine it gets crazy busy at times over here. Yep. Whoa.
Look over, babe.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
I don't know about this.
This is so cool.
Oh my goodness. Look, man.
This is so cool and creepy at the same time.
Yeah. Look at this.
Aiming at the drone.
That was a good one. So this is a 3.5, 4-hour ride from Mexico City. But I gotta say,
This is so worth it.
it's so worth it.
Like we finally made it to the pools, and it's just
amazing.
incredible. It's so warm. It's like humid, and you just have the view. Like the view is just, you can't even describe. I don't even think video or pictures kind of give it full justice, because it's just awesome.
And this is a natural spring. These pools were made, they took rock from the mountainside and created these pools. But the water flows from the spring that has been here for ever.
I think he said they opened it up in the 1970s.
1970s. But only in recent years they created these pools.
And they only created the roads to get here. They paved the roads like a couple years ago. So it used to be like all the sketch winding roads going up this mountain to get here used to just be dirt roads. So imagine if it rained trying to get back up. Saying when it was raining, like going uphill would be a lot. So
but now it's paved. There's really nothing to worry about. It's really like, honestly, once you're out of Mexico City, it wouldn't be that hard to drive on your own.
Sure.
Driving to Mexico City is a whole nother story.
Yeah, this is definitely worth it. I'm so glad that we got to come.
After spending some time relaxing in the hot springs, it was time to head over to the restaurant they have right there at the hot springs to get something to eat as a group. However, you'll notice that Fabeola, she bit off more than she could chew, or should I say she ordered more than she could eat.
Okay, babe.
No, I just see the chicken.
I see you, babe.
I wasn't expecting it to be this large. Like, that's insane. Why don't you take a picture of it?
It's got like 7 knives in it. Like anybody, just start daggering it.
That's so true.
Dig in, babe. Oh, you are digging in.
This is so overwhelming. I don't know where to start.
You should just stick your hand in and see what comes out, and maybe it'll be the right bite.
It's like legit sizzling.
Yeah.
I'm gonna video you preparing your.
I'm like thinking as I'm doing this, so it's not really.
I think what you need to do is grab a jalapeno, a potato.
I was wondering, like, are these just for show? Because
No, you gotta cut that
huge.
open, put it in there. I think that's what it's all about.
Yeah, I think that's really what
This is like a 12-person plate kind of thing.
All right, the jalapeno challenge.
It's not really a challenge.
It's a challenge.
That one looked juicy.
It is a little juicy. Yeah.
Oh, really?
That was so. These are very mild.
Are you gonna feel that later? Because you just ate like.
I hope you don't suffer, bro. I hope you don't suffer.
He gonna be on the toilet, man. How was that? Scale of 1 to 10. Scale of 1 to 10. How was it? 8. We're gonna try for a 10. Here, get another one.
You're messing up if you have some more.
It's okay, we got the half bath. It's all his.
Jalapeno challenge number
I'm gonna
2.
get into the seeds.
Well then, bite the seeds.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Not bad.
I think it is from the roast. It's not as I don't know. It doesn't have as much of a kick.
All right, 1 to 10.
Yeah, if he was an 8, what was this?
Mine wasn't like as like. Dude, as
3.
Sorry.
She gave you a 5.
I'll give myself a 5. I'll give
No,
myself a 5.
that was like a 2 or 3.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow,
Now
babe.
she's mad. She's gonna eat the whole thing. She's like,
Give me that thing.
Why don't you eat it, babe?
No, I'm not crazy.
yeah, do it. You're only in Mexico.
It's all soggy.
One time
It's
this week.
roasted. Why are you judging it? See? It's not that bad.
Not even as well.
There we go.
It's not bad.
He doubled
See?
it.
See?
You got a 6.
Nah, bro, you got a 4 because the way that you acted. That's a
You were
4.
here before too now.
We want you all to meet our wonderful tour guide.
Amazing.
Amazing, incredible.
You guys are amazing.
If you book on Airbnb, you should request this man.
Yes.
Thank you.
His name is, drum roll please,
Irving.
Irving.
Guys, come visit us. You guys are going to have a blast. Great time. Drink amazing beer. Have amazing food. Best time of your life.
He'll let you know everything you need to know. He'll keep you safe. He'll make sure you have fun, make sure you're fed. Okay, so we've had not only an amazing tour guide, we've had an amazing tour group.
Yeah.
They're all pretty cool except for one, except for this one. So we want to introduce you to everybody. So everybody go ahead and say your name, shout out your IG, tell
My
them.
name's Teresa. My Instagram is GONZ_T,
Okay,
and I'm from California.
California.
What's up? I'm Nathan. IG is Stay Gold 8, and I'm from LA, California.
This man walks on the wings of airplanes while they're in the air. Check out his IG.
Not these,
Seriously.
but you know, with those.
My name's Adriana. Instagram is at Adri Reynoso, and I'm from California, Orange County.
Awesome, California. SoCal.
My name is Freddy. My Instagram is Hijo de Fede. Cook amazing food from Los Angeles. I'll spell it out for you.
Spell it out for us.
Follow me on IG, Herb Duck. I'm from Houston, Texas, Mexico City born.
Hold on, Herb Duck?
Yeah. Last
you
name
like-
Ducker.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I thought maybe you like to eat duck or something like that.
No. He does something.
What's up, y'all? B Money from the 303. Just kidding. My name is Bradley. I'm from Colorado. And my Instagram is Bradley William Akers, A-K-E-R-S.
And he likes to eat jalapenos
And
raw.
I'll eat jalapenos hot.
So that's it. Check everybody out. Follow everybody on Instagram. We've had a great time. I bet there's gonna be a lot of wonderful pictures that you'll see from this trip. And it'll help show, you only see so much from our perspective, but if you go check out the Instagrams, you'll see all the other perspectives of this trip. So do it, and what should they do to our channel? They should like and subscribe.
So we've made it back to our Airbnb. How was the day, babe?
It was great. Like, we really enjoyed the day. Now we have pizza. We went and got some Mexican pizza downstairs
authentic
before we
Mexican
came
pizza.
inside. So we're about to eat it at 11 o'clock.
You got to end your trip with some authentic Mexican pizza.
There will
So
be
we got
no
some of
judgment. Yes.
We still have a couple more videos from this trip. So make sure you stay tuned, like, and subscribe.
See ya.